Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix crashing and freezing issue with Euro Truck Simulator game on your Windows computer. Now the first step is to restart your computer. So do not ignore it, just restart your computer once and after the system restart try launching the game. Still you're facing the problem, then verify the game file. For this go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, go to the local files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification launch the game. Now the next step is to open game with DX11, OpenGL or safe mode. So try each one. So click on play. So first of all select launch with DirectX and then click on play. If that does not work, launch with OpenGL and then click on play. At last try launch in safe mode and then click on play. So try each one and check which one is working fine for you. Next step is to remove outdated modes from your game. So if you have any modes which is giving you the problem, remove that mode and then launch the game. For this, launch the game first. Now go to mod manager, click on mod manager. Now if you see any mod which is showing in red, that is incompatible, so remove that mod from the list. I don't have any, so if you find it, remove that mod and then launch the game. Now the next step is to delete the save game file. Now before you delete the save game file, let me inform you that you will lose all the game progress. So if you want, delete the save game file. Now for this, open File Explorer, go to Documents and then open this Euro Truck Simulator folder. Over here you have the save game file, so you have to delete this folder from the documents folder. So go to documents and then make a right click on Euro Truck Simulator 2 and then click on delete. Now once done, now launch the game. Next step is to switch to beta version of the Steam client. Now this has worked for a few players, so it might work for you. You can try it. Go to Steam, on the top left click on Steam, then click on settings. Under account tab, here you can see beta participation. Click on change and from the drop down option select Steam beta update and then click on OK, and then it will tell you to restart Steam and then launch the game. Now the next step is to do a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. Now the next step is to allow the game.exe file to your antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus, make sure that you allow the game.exe file to your antivirus program. If you are using Windows Security, then go to the Start menu, then click on Settings. If you have Windows 11, click on Privacy and Security, then click on Windows Security. If you have Windows 10, you will have an option Update and Security. Click on Update and Security, then click on Windows Security. Now click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down, click on Manage Ransomware Protection. Click on Allow an app through control folder access. Click on Yes to allow. Click on Add an allowed app, then click on Browse all apps. Now again go to the game installation folder. So if the game is installed in C drive, select C drive, open program files x86. Now open the Steam folder. Now open the Steam apps folder. Now open the common folder. Over here you will find the game folder. In my case it's in E drive, Steam folder, Steam apps, common. Now open Euro Truck Simulator folder. Now open the bin folder, Win64, then select this exe file, then click on open. Now once the game is added over here, now launch the game. Now the next step is to add it to firewall. For this, type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on control panel. Now go to System and Security. Now click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Change Settings on the top. Now click on Allow another app. Click on Browse. Again go to the game installation folder, Steam folder, Steam apps, common. Open the game folder over here, Bin64 Euro Trucks 2, open, and then click on Add. Once the game is added over here, now launch the game. Next step is to run the game on dedicated graphic card. For this, type in graphics settings in Windows search box and then click on graphics settings. Now click on browse. Now again go to the game installation folder. Open the game folder, bin64, select this exe file, then click on add. Now in my case, the game is already added. Let me check. Here it is. Now once the game is added, click on it and then click on options, select high performance and then click on save. Now launch the game. Next step is to run the game as an administrator. For this, go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on browse local file. It will straight away take you to the game installation folder. Open this bin folder, bin64. Now select the game exe file, make a right click on the game exe file, select properties, and then go to compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator. Then click on apply, click on OK. Now make a double click over here and then launch the game. Now still you're facing the problem, then run in compatibility mode. For this, make a right click on the game, select properties, and then go to compatibility and then click on run compatibility troubleshooter. If that does not work, put a check on run this program in compatibility mode 4 and then select Windows 8 and then click on apply, OK, and then launch the game. If that does not work, again make a right click, properties, compatibility, this time select Windows 7 and then click on apply, OK. Now make a double click and then launch the game. Now the next step is to disable Steam overlay. For this, go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, uncheck the box which says enable the Steam overlay while in game and then check. Also close all the other overlay applications. So if you have Discord running on the computer, close Discord. If you have GeForce Experience running on the computer, close GeForce Experience. These are overlay application. So close all the overlay application. Also close all the overclocking application. So if you have MSI Afterburner running on the computer, close MSI Afterburner. So close all the overclocking application. If you have RiverTuner running, close RiverTuner. So make sure that you close all the overclocking application. Also perform clean boot. For this, type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. So type in system configuration and then click on system configuration. Now go to the services tab. Click on services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Put a check over here first, then click on disable all. Now click on apply, click on OK. You will see the restart option, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now on this website, scroll down. Here you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17, 19 and 22. Download x86 and x64 version. So click on x86 file and download it. Download both the file x64 as well and then run both the exe file, that is x86 and x64 version. So click on it. Now if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install. Click on yes to allow. Now run the second file as well. Again, if you see the repair option, click on repair. If you see the install option, click on install. Click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Now once both the installation is complete, you will see the restart option. Click on restart. After the system restart, launch the game. Now the next step is to update your Windows. This is important. Go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now go to update and security or Windows update and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next step is to disconnect multiple monitors. So try launching the game on single monitor. Also unplug all the external USB devices which is connected to the computer which you're not using, disconnect it and then launch the game. Also close these software. So if you have these software running on the computer, close it. Make sure only the Steam and the game is running. Rest, close everything. Also remove the undervolt. So if you undervolted your hardware, remove the undervolt and then launch the game. Last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Now before you uninstall and reinstall the game, if you are able to launch the game first and lower down graphics settings. So go to options and then go to graphics and then uncheck the box which says full screen mode and lower down graphic resolution. So if this is set to 4K, you can try 1920 into 1080p, or you can even lower down more and then click on advanced settings. So if everything is set to ultra, you can try high or medium, or you can even try low. Click on yes to apply the settings and go to advanced settings and make sure everything is set to medium or low and then check the performance. Now the last step is to uninstall and reinstall the game. To uninstall the game, go to Steam, make a right click on the game and then select manage, then click on uninstall. Now after you uninstall it, go to the game installation folder, delete the game folder. So once you uninstall this, go back to the installation folder, delete the game folder, and after you delete the game folder, restart the computer, and after system restart, reinstall the game to different drive. So if you have another SSD or HDD, try installing the game to different drive and then check. So one of the steps should help you to get the game running on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.